On the outskirts of Tirana, many Roma people call this home. But even in poor communities, just having somewhere to live is not enough. People need healthcare, education and basic social services. In Albania, access to these services requires official registration, a birth certificate or documentation proving citizenship. Nejmi is a mother of 3 and is expecting her 4th child. The 28-year-old says she was abandoned at birth and does not know her own biological mother. Under Albanian law, all children must be registered within 40 days of birth. Without a birth certificate or identification for herself, Nejmi cannot register her own children. Without being registered, her children cannot receive treatment at a health clinic or go to school.
I would like to register my 3 children. I have no income, I have no work, I have no documents, I have nothing. We're very poor. We're 5 people that live together. I have no social documents.
Recent reforms to legislation introduced by lawmakers has made registration easier and less expensive. However, there is no official data of how many children are undocumented in Albania. Non-government organisations such as the Tirana Legal Assistance Society offer Roma free legal advice, explain why it's important to register their children and help people to go through the registration process.
I
think that for a child to be registered, it's understandable that there needs to be close cooperation among different actors involved in this field, starting with the family at the very beginning, the parents, and furthermore by the structures at the government level that are in charge for such registration, such as the bureaus of civil record all over the country.
For 9-year-old orphan Marina, life has changed following the recent death of her mother. She's now living with a neighbouring family. But life could have taken a turn for the worse if her mother had not applied to register Marina's birth. With a birth certificate, Marina will soon begin attending a local boarding school for orphans. Marina hopes she can be a school teacher when she's older and help other Roma children. Being registered at birth provides the key for a child to access their rights in Albania. When lawmakers, government officials, municipal workers and civil society work together, they can make sure that every child will be registered at birth. It may take an effort, but together we can ensure that every child will enjoy the right to registration and citizenship. The future generation of Albania, particularly those most vulnerable in society, depends upon it.